Okay, real talk. You wake up Monday morning. Alarm goes off at 6:30. You drag yourself out of bed. Sit in traffic for 45 minutes. Work for 8 hours straight. Drag yourself back home. Collapse on the couch. And somewhere between dinner and Netflix, you check your bank account. And think, there has got to be more than this. Sound familiar? Here is the thing nobody tells you at your 9 to 5. Your salary has a ceiling. There is literally a maximum amount your boss will pay you. No matter how hard you work, no matter how many late nights, no matter how good you are, there is a cap. But your time after work, that has no ceiling. Today, I am going to show you the best side hustles specifically designed for people who already have a full-time job. No quitting required. No 20-hour work weeks. No magic. Just real strategies that real people are using right now to make an extra $500 to $3,000 every single month on top of their regular salary. And the best part? Number 5 on this list requires literally zero experience. Let's go. Before we get into the list, I need to give you the one rule that changes everything. Ready? Your side hustle must not feel like a second job. Because here is what happens to most people. They pick something complicated, they burn out in 3 weeks, they quit, they go back to Netflix. The best side hustles for full-time employees are flexible, scalable, and fit around your schedule, not the other way around. Keep that in mind for everything on this list. Okay, let's get into it. Number 1, freelance the skills you already use at work. This is the fastest way to make extra money, and most people completely overlook it. Think about it. You already know how to do something valuable. Writing, design, coding, accounting, marketing, data entry, social media. Whatever you do at your job, someone out there needs that exact skill and will pay you directly for it. Real example. Jake is a 29-year-old marketing manager in Chicago. He spends all day writing email campaigns for his company. One evening, he listed himself on Upwork as a freelance email copywriter. First month, 2 small clients, extra $600. 6 months later, he has 4 regular clients, makes $2,400 extra every month, working just 8 hours per week on evenings and weekends. The trick is simple. Charge what your skill is worth, not what you think a beginner should charge. You are not a beginner. You do this professionally already. Number 2, sell digital products. Imagine making money at 2 in the morning while you are fast asleep from something you made one Sunday afternoon. That is exactly what digital products do. Templates, planners, spreadsheets, ebooks, preset filters, study guides, resume templates. You create it once, upload it, sell it forever. Real example? Aisha is a 26-year-old HR manager in London. She spent one Saturday creating a resume template bundle on Canva. 5 different templates. Clean, professional, tailored for corporate jobs. Listed them on Etsy for $12 each. She told absolutely nobody. By month 3, she was making $800 a month from 5 files she made in one afternoon. The formula is simple. Think about what problems people in your industry face. Then create a simple digital solution for it. That is your product. Platforms to use? Etsy, best for templates. Gumroad, best for ebooks. Payhip, best for all digital products. Number 3, content creation. Now, before you roll your eyes, I am not telling you to become an influencer. I am talking about something much more practical. Faceless content creation. YouTube, podcast, newsletter, blog. Pick one topic you know about. Finance, fitness, cooking, career advice, parenting, tech tutorials, local travel. Create content consistently. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Real example. Ryan is a 31-year-old software engineer in Sydney. He started a faceless YouTube channel explaining basic coding concepts for beginners. Just screen recordings and a voiceover. Never showed his face once. After 9 months, he hit monetization. Today, he earns $1,600 a month from that channel, working on it just 4 hours every weekend. His 9 to 5 salary stayed the same, but his total income jumped by $1,600 every single month. The key is consistency. 2 videos a week beats 10 videos once, then disappearing. Number 4, online tutoring and coaching. This one is massively underrated. Everyone knows something that someone else wants to learn. Maths, science, English, music, interview skills, Excel spreadsheets, cooking, fitness. If you are good at something, someone will pay you to teach them. Real example. Lisa is a 33-year-old accountant in Melbourne. She started offering Excel tutoring sessions on weekends. $45 per hour. 4 students every Saturday. That is $180 every single Saturday. $720 extra a month. From teaching Excel, something she does at work every single day anyway. And if you want to scale it, record your lessons once, turn them into a course, sell it on Udemy or Teachable. Now, your 1-hour lesson earns money forever. Number 5, this is the one I promised you. Zero experience required. Print on demand. Here's how it works. You design simple graphics, and I mean simple. A funny quote on a t-shirt, a motivational phrase on a mug, a cool pattern on a phone case. You upload your design to a platform. Someone buys it, the platform prints it, ships it, handles everything. You get paid. You never touch the product. You never handle shipping. You never speak to a customer. Real example? Tyler is a 24-year-old full-time retail worker in Houston. Zero design experience, zero art skills. He used Canva, which is completely free, made 30 simple text designs in one weekend. Funny quotes about coffee, dog lover sayings, gym motivation phrases. Listed them on Redbubble and Merch by Amazon. Month 1, $180. Month 3, $640. Month 6, $1,200. From designs he made in one single weekend. He still works his retail job, but his side hustle now makes more than his monthly rent. Number 6, rent what you own. This is the laziest side hustle on this list, and I mean that as a compliment. You are literally making money from things sitting in your house doing nothing. Spare room? Airbnb. Car you barely use? Turo or Car Next Door. Parking space? Spacer or Just Park. Camera gear? Fat Llama. Garden or driveway? Neighbor app. Storage space? Stashbee. Real example? Marcus in Austin rents his driveway on weekdays. His house is near a stadium. On game days, he charges $40 per spot. Has 3 spots? That is $120 per game day from his driveway while he's at work. Look around your home right now. I promise you have something worth renting. Okay, let me bring this all together for you. 6 side hustles perfectly designed for full-time employees. 1. Freelance your existing job skills. 2. Sell digital products. 3. Faceless content creation. 4. Online tutoring and coaching. 5. Print on demand. 6. Rent everything you own. Now, here is the most important thing I can tell you, and I want you to really hear this. You do not need to be extraordinary to start a side hustle. You do not need a business degree. You do not need startup money. You do not need to quit your job. You need 2 things only: 1 hour a day and the decision to start. So here is my challenge to you. Pick one side hustle from this list, just one, and take one action toward it before you go to sleep tonight. Not tomorrow, tonight. If this video gave you even one idea, or made you feel like extra income is actually possible, do me one small favor. Hit that subscribe button right now. Because every single week I make videos exactly like this, breaking down money strategies in the simplest way possible so that anyone, no matter their age, background, or experience, can start building a better financial life. You already watched this far. That tells me you are serious about changing things. Do not stop now. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. This is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions.